When you first started making videos, did you ever feel stuck? You log into Rendora ready to create, but have no idea where to start? Don't worry. In just 1 minute, I'm going to show you how to kickstart your creativity and get started effortlessly. First, in Rendora, you'll see a variety of templates suitable for different application scenarios. For example, if you're a content creator looking to make a newsletter video, this template would be a perfect fit. You can click preview to watch the full video effect. This is the video I want to create. Click use to enter the generate page. Then, simply replace the original content with your own script and materials. After that, click 3D generate to quickly create a similar video.
Hello everyone, welcome to today's newsletter. Here's top stories of the day. LinkedIn has automatically opted users in to donate their data for training AI models.
Of course, if you don't like the avatar or scene in this template, you can change them on the left panel. It's that simple. Try it out now. For more tutorials, follow Rendora. See you next time.